My name is Alexander Doherty and I am a British designer based here in New York City, and I'd like to welcome you to one of my most recent projects here in Madison Square Park. So generally I like to bring a transitional approach to most of my projects. I like to mix pieces from the 20th, 19th, even 18th century with contemporary pieces, giving it an eclectic look. This is a Pied-A-Terre apartment for my client. We wanted to bring an international flair to it and make it feel very specific for him and individual. The entryway sets the tone for what you'll see as we walk through the apartment in terms of color. They're very saturated colors. One room leads to another, but the unifying element is a rich, deep, glossy black, and then saturate the walls with some really strong colors. So even though we made a lot of changes from what the developer gave us, we did inherit this fantastic marble floor, which we kept, we honed, and it certainly goes with kind of striking, almost Pompeian theme as you enter the apartment. So as you come through the gallery, you come out into this very large open space, which comprises of the living room, the dining room, and in fact the kitchen. But the first thing that you're going to see, or the first thing that you're going to want to walk to, are the windows and see this spectacular view of Madison Square Park. The color of the walls, very saturated again, but in fact this is a color that the client has used in previous homes. But to change it up a little, we decided to really punch out the windows with this bright, almost kind of Chinese lacquer red. We extended the edges of the windows to make real window boxes to really emphasize the view. So to create this space, kind of almost like a circular space, I had two sofas made here in New York. We were able to find a great looking day bed, which we had reupholstered and refinished. And then I got my hands on this Italian bench from the 1940s, kind of closing off the space but leaving it open at the same time. Here we are in the master bedroom, and the first thing that you'll notice is that we have completely strayed away from the very saturated color palette. He insisted that his master bedroom be a calm oasis to get a good night's sleep here in New York City. But the strong pieces in here are the desk chair, the artwork, and the nightstands. And part of the master suite is, of course, the master bathroom. We added a little color, a little flavor of our own in the lighting and the back of the pocket door. I hope you've really enjoyed visiting this space today as much as I have in showing it to you. We've got a real color story going on here. Change the space from being your generic white box into something very personal. So I hope that this gives you courage to go ahead and do the same thing. And until next time, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?